Hello and welcome. Today we will explore the world of HTML5 APIs. These are powerful tools that allow you to create modern and interactive web applications. So, what exactly are HTML5 APIs? HTML5 APIs are JavaScript interfaces that empower developers to construct rich, interactive web applications with access to device features and advanced functionalities. Some of the key features are access to hardware capabilities, enhanced user experiences, cross-platform compatibility, reduced need for plugins. Let's take a look at some popular HTML5 APIs. First, we have the Geolocation API, which provides access to geographical location data from the device, enabling location-aware web applications. Next is the Web Audio API, which allows processing and synthesizing audio in web applications, creating advanced audio experiences. The Device API provides access to device hardware features like camera, microphone, and sensors for enhanced interactions. Storage APIs include local storage, session storage, and IndexedDB for client-side data storage with different capabilities. The Fetch API is a modern interface for making HTTP requests, replacing XML HTTP requests with promises and more features. Finally, the Canvas API enables drawing graphics, animations, and interactive content using JavaScript and the HTML Canvas element. Let's dive deeper into the Geolocation API. The Geolocation API allows web applications to access the user's geographical location data. It provides methods to retrieve the current position, watch for position changes, and handle errors. Here's a basic usage example. First, check if the navigator has geolocation available. If it is available, call the getCurrentPosition function. If the function is successfully called, get the latitude and longitude from the position object. If there is an error, display the error message. Now let's explore the Web Storage API. The Web Storage API provides mechanisms for storing data in the browser. It includes local storage, which is persistent storage, and session storage, which is session-only storage, both with a simple key-value interface. First, let us store the username John Doe in local storage. Next, store the preferences with theme as dark and font size as large in the local storage. To retrieve the data, get the item username from the local storage. Similarly, get the preferences from the local storage by parsing the JSON. Let's understand the Fetch API, which provides a modern interface for making HTTP requests. It uses promises to handle responses, making it more powerful and flexible than the older XML HTTP request. Here is an example of making a basic GET request with Fetch API. Call the Fetch function with the API endpoint. Then check if the response is OK. If the response is not OK, throw an error. Then, return the response in JSON format. If it is successful, display the data. If there is an error, display the error message. Next, we have the Canvas API. The Canvas API provides a means for drawing graphics via JavaScript and the HTML Canvas element. It can be used for animations, game graphics, data visualization, photo manipulation, and real-time video processing. First, get the canvas element by its ID. Then, get the context of the canvas. Now, draw a filled rectangle by giving the fill style and calling the fill rectangle method. To draw a circle, call the begin path method. Then call the arc method to draw the circle. Then, set the fill style and call the fill method. Now let's explore the Web Workers API. Web Workers allow you to run JavaScript in background threads, separate from the main execution thread. This enables processing-intensive tasks without blocking the user interface, improving performance and responsiveness. First, create a new worker object with the worker JavaScript file. Send data to the worker by calling the postMessage method on the worker object. To receive results from the worker, call the onMessage method on the worker object. To further your learning, here are some helpful resources. MDN Web Docs, W3 Schools HTML5 API tutorials, JavaScript.info, and Web.dev by Google. As next steps, try building small projects with each API. Explore advanced API features, learn about browser compatibility, and implement error handling. HTML5 APIs have transformed web development, enabling rich, interactive applications that rival native experiences. By mastering these APIs, you can create powerful web applications that leverage device capabilities while maintaining cross-platform compatibility. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.